China has just tested what it calls the world's heaviest 7-ton cargo drone, capable of flying over 1,850 miles, and it's built for far more than simple transport. This breakthrough signals a shift toward autonomous systems that can operate across some of the most challenging environments. In this video, we break down how this was achieved, why it matters right now, and what it reveals about the future of global logistics. This aircraft represents a major step forward in unmanned aviation, not just because of its size, but because of what it can actually do. China's test of what it describes as the world's heaviest 7-ton cargo drone with a range exceeding 1,850 miles shows a clear move towards systems that combine logistics, endurance, and multi-role capability in a single platform. The Chang'e 8 CY-8 cargo drone was designed from the ground up as a heavy-lift logistics system rather than a scaled-up drone. Its maximum takeoff weight reaches 7 tons, with around 3.5 tons allocated to payload. That means half of the aircraft's total mass is dedicated to carrying cargo, which reflects a highly efficient transport-focused design. Its physical structure reinforces this concept. Measuring about 17 meters in length with a wingspan of 25 meters, it aligns more closely with small cargo aircraft than with traditional unmanned aerial vehicles. This scale allows it to carry large volumes, supported by an enclosed cargo bay of roughly 18 cubic meters. The inclusion of both front and rear access doors enables faster loading and unloading. The propulsion system is equally important. Twin turboprop engines provide reliable performance and fuel efficiency over long distances, which is essential for missions that require extended range. One of the most notable aspects of the aircraft is its ability to operate with limited infrastructure. During its first test flight in Zhengzhou, it required only about 280 meters to take off and remained airborne for approximately 30 minutes. This short takeoff capability allows it to operate. The modular design further enhances its versatility. The aircraft can be configured for different mission types, including logistics, communication support, and electronic sensing roles. This flexibility means it is not limited to a single function, but can adapt to various operational needs. The CY-8 was developed to solve one of the most difficult challenges in logistics: reaching locations where traditional infrastructure is limited or non-existent. In many regions around the world, especially mountainous areas, high-altitude plateaus, and remote islands, conventional cargo aircraft face significant limitations due to runway requirements and environmental conditions. This aircraft addresses those limitations through a combination of engineering choices tailored for extreme environments. It is capable of operating at elevations between 4,000 and 5,000 meters, where thinner air reduces lift and places additional demands on propulsion systems. Maintaining stable flight under these conditions requires careful aerodynamic design and reliable engine performance, both of which are integrated into the CY-8. Its short takeoff and landing capability is another critical advantage. Requiring less than 500 meters of runway, the aircraft can operate from simple airstrips with minimal infrastructure. This dramatically increases accessibility, allowing it to serve the location. The long operational range, exceeding 1,850 miles, further enhances its effectiveness. This range allows the drone to connect distant regions without frequent stops, reducing the complexity of supply chains and enabling more direct delivery routes. In practical terms, this means faster response times and greater efficiency in transporting goods. Beyond logistics, the aircraft's modular design allows it to support a wide range of additional roles. It can be configured for emergency communication support, providing temporary connectivity in areas where networks are disrupted. It can also assist with environmental monitoring and other specialized operations that require sustained presence over large areas. This adaptability reflects a broader shift in design philosophy. Instead of building multiple specialized systems, engineers have created a single platform capable of performing various functions. This reduces costs, simplifies deployment, and increases operational flexibility. In addition, its ability to perform consistent operations across varying terrain types ensures reliability in unpredictable conditions, making it a valuable solution for maintaining continuity in supply and communication networks. The development of the CY-8 is part of a larger global trend toward autonomous heavy-lift logistics systems. Around the world, there is increasing investment in technologies that can transport large payloads without relying on traditional aircraft or established infrastructure. This reflects a growing need for more flexible and resilient supply networks. China's approach focuses on combining long-range capability with short runway operations. The CY-8 demonstrates how these elements can work together to create a system that is both efficient and adaptable. At the same time, other projects are pushing the boundaries even further. The W5000, for example, aims to increase payload capacity into the 10-ton class, indicating ongoing development in this field. In contrast, the United States is exploring alternative designs that emphasize vertical takeoff and landing. Systems such as the RH-1, a Regal cargo drone, eliminate the need for runways, allowing operations in confined spaces. This approach offers maximum flexibility, but may involve trade-offs in range and efficiency compared to runway-based systems. These different strategies highlight the complexity of modern logistics challenges. There is no single solution, and various approaches are being developed to address different operational needs. Some prioritize efficiency and range, while others focus on accessibility and flexibility. A key implication of this trend is the move toward distributed logistics networks. Instead of relying on centralized hubs, autonomous platforms enable direct connections between locations. This reduces bottlenecks, increases speed, and enhances the resilience of supply systems. Autonomy also changes how these systems operate. Without the need for onboard crews, they can perform longer missions and operate in more demanding conditions. Another important dimension is scalability, as these systems can be deployed in coordinated fleets that operate simultaneously across regions, improving throughput while maintaining operational efficiency without requiring complex ground coordination or extensive support infrastructure. This evolution could eventually integrate with digital logistics systems, enabling real-time routing decisions, predictive maintenance, and smarter allocation of resources across interconnected transport networks globally. The CY-8 represents a step toward this new model of logistics. It shows how combining autonomy, heavy payload capacity, and flexible deployment can create systems that are better suited to the challenges of modern supply networks. This development highlights a major shift in how logistics systems are designed and deployed across the world. By combining heavy payload capacity, extended range, and the ability to operate with minimal infrastructure, platforms like the CY-8 open new possibilities for connecting remote regions and improving overall supply efficiency. As autonomous technologies continue to evolve, these systems are likely to play an increasingly important role in shaping future logistics networks. The focus is no longer just on transporting goods, but on doing so in a smarter, faster, and more adaptable way. This transformation could redefine how global supply chains operate in the years ahead. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on space exploration and scientific discoveries, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Also, you can visit our website, SpaceEyeNews.com. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.